There's no. How did a rat get in the? How did a rat get in there?
I don't know. It's all broken up.
It's not in the dresser.
Where is it?
Did you hear the bell?
I heard that bell. I'm talking about this. Is he stuck? No.
He's underneath the bed. It's not in the dresser. It's not in the dresser. It's under the bed. That's where you're hearing it.
Where is he? Where is he?
You don't hear him?
But where is he? Dummy! Get out of there. Dummy. Dummy. Know where he's at? Know where he's at?
He's up in the
Yes.
stuff.
Get out of there, dummy.
That's probably his little chill place. So it's not in the dresser.
No, I guess not.
Okay, thank you.